I'm taking advantage of it and getting out of the house to get some fresh air and to check out a new coffee shop. That's one of my favorite ways to get to know the city. The only bad thing about New York coffee shops are that they're not very work friendly. We'll see how this one goes. Headed home now because I have to use the bathroom and they don't have any public bathrooms. That coffee shop was really cute. I would go there to read a book or maybe just do work for like an hour. It really is just so hard to find the perfect coffee shop to do work at. The hunt continues. You're so cute when you're floofs. Today we're focusing on the closet. I have to put a curtain up to hide this whole situation going on behind me. Closet is one of our biggest pain points in this apartment because there's two of us. There's only one closet. We used to have two traditional sliding closet doors. It always just felt so stuffy and it felt like such a tight squeeze. Ever since we removed the closet doors, our closet experience has just been way better. Because of that, I think we got so much better at organizing and kind of figuring out a system that works for us. I feel like this entire closet has just been a work in progress and it's time to conceal all of the magic that's happening. Blah, blah, blah. Too many words. I can't remember how to do this though. I have to cut the last piece so that it'll fit. The instructions say to do with the hacksaw. I don't have a hacksaw, so I'm just gonna go in with scissors. That's not working. Okay. Ah, yay! Scissors do the trick, guys. I just got home and I had to change really quickly, spritz myself down because I'm so stinky and sweaty. I'm going to the free Philharmonic summer show. I've actually never gone even though it's like right here. I didn't want to wear the shirt that I danced in because it was sweaty and I didn't want to put on a new shirt because I'm still sweaty. So I'm taking my pajama shirt and then after I come home I'm just going to toss this into the wash. Please tell us what you have.
Okay. It's a lemon olive oil cake with mascarpone whipped cream and then blackberry compote on the top. And then there's peppermint sprigs, but you can't really see. And I would also just pick it off so you don't, I mean it's edible, but.
Not you bringing a whole cake to the park. I'm so excited.
So it's like I have to use it. Here.
Wow, Clavian.
Oh wait, there's one slice that's cut already.
I see it. Thanks, Clavo.
You got that touch.
Dude, I just follow instructions.
You're good at it. The next day, I had to wait 24 hours before I could put up these curtains. Yesterday was such a busy day. I'm so tired today. I just had to take a break from staring at my computer for the last like 3 hours. And this is the final look. It looks so good. Now we have privacy. Hey, besties in town. Hey. We're gonna go get Hawa smoothies and then go to the park for a park read.
Is that right there? I think so. Like, it's for sure gonna get.
Wow, look at all these people braving it out over there, though.
Dude, it's boring. We're like, it hasn't hit us yet.
We didn't read a single page of our books.
We barely got here.
We tried.
We really did. We tried.
Dude, the only time I ever do sake bombs is with you guys.
Bubby, I want chips. Hot fries,
Hot fries.
hot Cheetos,
Okay.
salt and vinegar,
Okay.
Funyuns.
All the best things.
Baby, I'm a barbecue sauce, boss. Baby, I'm a boss. Baby, I'm a barbecue sauce. Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Who am I?
Baby, I'm a boss. Baby, I'm a barbecue sauce. Baby, I'm a boss. Baby, I'm a barbecue sauce. Hey, 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 hey.